tide rolling, la la la, where the waves begin. Mallacoota whispers, stay a while. In its arms we'll find our smile. Golden sands and skies so wide, Betka flows with the ocean's tide. The river bends, the world stands still, a summer dream beneath the hills. The forest hums, the breeze so kind, a peaceful rhythm, a heart's unwind. Mallacoota calls, its beauty bold, a coastal story timeless told. Oh, Betka Beach, the ocean's kiss, a holiday dream, pure Christmas bliss. Oh, the tides roll through, la la la, we'll make this summer our rendezvous. We'll drift along where waters play, the estuary's light guides our way. The river's song, a soft embrace, a piece of heaven, this sacred place. The mountain shadows kiss the shore, a land that feels like home and more. From Bastion Point to the shining lake, every step is a memory of May. Oh, Betka Beach, the ocean's kiss, a holiday dream, pure Christmas bliss. Oh, the tides roll through, la la la, we'll make this summer a rendezvous. Soft winds carry our laughter near, the Christmas sun draws us here. Beneath the sky we're free, alive together, this moment thrives. It's who we are. Oh, Betka Beach, the ocean's kiss, a holiday dream, pure Christmas bliss. Oh, the tides roll through, la la la, we'll make this summer a rendezvous. As the sun dips low, a golden hue, we say goodbye, but not adieu. Oh, Betka's call will always play in our hearts each Christmas day.